Peace, family. Today I want to talk to you guys about the elements of the affidavit once again. However, I have a table for you guys, therefore you can have a more linear way of seeing exactly what it is that I'm trying to convey and explain to you. But first, a disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This is not legal advice. If you are seeking financial or legal advice, I highly encourage you to seek legal or financial counsel immediately. Let's get into it. Now, as you guys can see here, we have our elements of affidavit, okay? It's 5 of them. You have your narrative, resolution, prayer, memorandum, and your jurat, okay? So as you guys are looking at your first element, your narrative, says here, what is this claim about, okay? So if you're dealing with a traffic ticket, is it about a traffic ticket? If you're dealing with your mortgage, is it about your mortgage? If it is for your car loan, are you dealing with your car loan, okay? If it's for your credit card or utilities, this is where you will be conveying that in your narrative and exactly what it is that you're trying to get across from yourself to said company, okay? Now we're gonna go to our second element, the resolution. What happens in the event that this claim is dishonored? So, what stipulations do you have? Are you giving them 10 days, okay, to respond with a rebuttal to the narrative that you are speaking, whether it be for your card, your mortgage, so on and so forth, okay? Blah, blah, blah. All right, now moving on, family, we have our prayer, okay? Now, we do understand that when we go into courtrooms, we have to place our hand, okay, our left hand on the Bible and attest to the facts, all right? So in your prayer, you want to pull something out of there that is pertaining to your matter. So if you're dealing with debts, okay, you want prayers dealing with debts, okay? If it's a goodwill letter, you want it to be tailored towards forgiveness, okay? Hopefully that makes sense. If not, leave something in the comments for me, okay? And I'll help you get that answered. Okay, family, now moving down to the memorandum. All right, it says here, what type of law is your claim aligned with, okay? So if you are dealing with your state or federal law, okay, then your laws are going to be tailored towards those particular things, okay? And if you guys decide to become students, all right, my link is in the bio. You can become a student and learn this stuff. We do 2 lives a month. All right, we'll be able to go more in depth with exactly how to apply this to your affidavits and give you a more direct approach to you understanding the memorandum, okay? And finally, your jurat, okay? Now the jurat states here, notary clause pertaining to your particular state, okay? So it's just you placing a notary clause at the bottom, all right? And if you're in the state of Texas, then you need to make sure that you have a notary clause that they recognize. If you have a affidavit in California, you need to have a notary clause that they recognize. All right, that's all the jurat side is, okay? All right, family. Now, this is not difficult stuff to understand. However, I wanted you to see it broken down outside of me just talking about it, okay? These are the kinds of things that we do have in our classes. These are the types of homework assignments that you'll be utilizing as legends and guides to better help you get your legal writing down, okay? And believe me, it gets deeper than that. Like I always say, I hope this helps, and I love you guys. Peace.